Mid-afternoon is here as we continue working our way to the halfway point of another week of March. March 11th, 2025, Hayes here. 1504 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, along the Canadian Nationals Bear and Maiden Outpost 128.8 with another video lined up for you. Going to have the rollout of today's S775 81 of the 11th on the way, with the ET44AC of the 3091 deleted, and rear DPU of the new 3402. Check them out on the roll as it will head up to East Edmonton, Alberta, Canada via CPKC. As we lean back and get them, here we go. So it takes up the 102 loads that direction. Total axles 420. Led on the power move earlier today. Today's 051981 of the 11th will follow behind this one. Graffiti on that one. Last of it with the new 3402 should be coming. continues to slowly work its way to control point West Ladysmith, then take the North Y and charge up the hill from there. I hear the rear DPU now of the new 3402. To bring up the last of it. It's Wells Fargo, WFRX 807003. And the new 3402 is going to open up the throttle there and shove it up the hill to help out the 3091 up front. Not bad at all. I'm quite pleased. It's the second time now that I've seen the 3402 now, but I'll take it. She's opening up the throttle right now in the meantime. So that's going to do it for today's S775, 81 of the 11th, and we'll do it for the CL3091 and the new C6M rebuild of the 3402, as that was a GECXD BNSF variant. And that's going to do it for this video at West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time. And I hope I will see you along the main line. See you and Hayes out.